Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll walk through how to generate an asset cost report by date in iMaint. To begin, you'll want to expand Reports and Graphs on the left, then click on Reports. Once you're in the Reports section, there are two ways to find Report 1880. You can type 1880 into the search box in the top right, or you can click on Categories, select Assets, and then scroll down to find 1880. Now let's apply a filter to narrow down our results. Click the arrow next to Preview Report and choose Filter from the pop-up menu. In the filter window, one example would be to select Asset ID from the Field box and Contains from the Operator box. In the Criteria box, you can enter what you are searching for. Click Add Filter, and then check Record Count to see if any results are found. The Record Count option shows how many records match before running the full report. Next, we'll add a date range to our filter. Go back to the Field box and select Adjustment Date. In Operator box, you can select a variety of options to narrow your date search. The calendar allows you to easily select dates. Now, for example, if you want to run Asset Cost Report for the AHU since January 1st, 2021, you can quickly navigate by clicking on the year. Click Add Filter. You can also click Check Record Count again if you choose. Once your filters are applied, click OK to run the report. Report 1880 shows work order costs broken down by asset and date. Each row lists the date of adjustment, along with labor, parts, and miscellaneous costs tied to that specific asset. At the bottom, you'll find a total for the selected asset. In addition, you can right-click on an existing filter condition, like AND, to change it to or to remove criterion, to allow for more flexible report queries. And that's a quick overview of generating asset reports by date and filtering options within iMaint.